Where's that kid? Damn! Damn!
The old man really came through. It worked. Laying out Biff in one punch. I didn't know he had it in him. He's never sold to Biff in his life.
All right! Let's set your destination, guys! This is the exact time you left. Let's send you back at exactly the same time. Tell me like you never left. So, that's where you start from. I'm calculating the precise distance, taking into account the acceleration speed and wind resistance retroactive from the moment the lightning strikes, which will be exactly 7 minutes and 22 seconds. When this alarm goes off, you hit the gas. In about 30 years, I hope so. Don't worry. As long as you hit that wire with a connecting hook at precisely 88 miles an hour, the instant the lightning strikes the tower, everything will be fine.
Top circuits on. Flux capacitor.